video, I will tell you how to buy on the NovaBot. For that, the process is very simple, and I will provide a link to the NovaBot in the description below, so you guys can check and attach that link with the Telegram. And I have already made a video about how to set up the Telegram and the NovaBot, and that will be on the top right corner. So let's dive right into the video. So what you have to do is start the board by just pressing on the start button, and once you do that, you have to go to the auto buy option. So if you have a set of rules that you have already identified and you just want to give it to the Nova board, you can use the auto buy option. If you don't have those, if you want to go with your own strategies, just go with the buy option. So for example, right now we're just gonna go with the auto buy option. If you go in the auto buy, you guys can see that I don't have any rules set yet. So if you have bunch of rules that you want to set in order for the Nova board automatically buys the tokens and purchases it, you guys can use this feature. So all you have to do is to click on add rule, and here you guys can add rule as minimum market cap value. You can enter values like 5k to 100k, 1 million, any value that suits your requirements. So this is how you guys can buy it. So if you go back and click on the buy option, for example, if we go back to the menu and go and click on the buy option, we will see that we have to enter the token address for which chain we want to buy the crypto for. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.